I'm Darlene Tennis from Casa Q, and today we're going to be doing a spicy tuna fish sandwich. It has only 5 simple ingredients. We have tuna fish, cheddar cheese, salsa fresca, mayonnaise, and jalapeno bread. So it's really simple. All you do is add your canned tuna fish in a bowl. I like to use white albacore in water, and you just mix in your mayonnaise, which we mixed in right now, and then you add a little bit of salsa fresca, and you can put as little or as much as you want, and then we're going to mix this together. Now that we're done with the tuna mixture, what we're going to get is the jalapeno cheese bread. You can use any kind of bread you want, French bread or sourdough bread. I like using a jalapeno cheese bread. You just slice it in half. We're going to put it down here, and then we're going to scoop the tuna on top of the bread, and we're going to pile it nice and high. And then we're going to add cheese on top. So we're going to put a little bit of cheddar cheese on top, and we're going to put this on a cookie sheet and broil it in the oven. And here we have the spicy tuna fish sandwich. For the full recipe, go to CasaQ.com. Hasta pronto!